in front of me is OPPO A53s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and here just mark set wallpaper under personalization. Pick either static wallpapers album, live wallpapers album, or your own photos. I will go with static. And now you can pick the one that you would like to apply. Here you've got the whole album. And for example, if it's about this one, here you can see how it looks. And if you would like to apply it, just tap on apply. Then just agree with all needed permissions. And just click on set as. Here you can decide if it's about your lock screen, home screen, or both of them. And I will choose both. And as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.